In this video of Abu Dhabi, I will show you and describe how to get to Abu Dhabi from Dubai using public transit. How easy is it for tourists to get around in Dubai? Morning traffic in Dubai. Is Abu Dhabi richer than Dubai? So please stay tuned to my video. Please remember to post a like, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you can always get my latest travel videos. Hello and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to Dubai. Today I'm going to take a trip from Dubai to Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi is the capital of the United Arab Emirates. The first step to getting to Dubai is to find a metro station. This is the Burj Khalifa Dubai Mall metro station. The second step is to go to one of these machines, use your credit card, and get yourself a ticket. This is me getting on the Dubai Metro at 6:30 in the morning, rush hour. The good news is, during the ride you can look out the window and see Dubai. All of the Dubai Metro runs above ground. This is my view from the metro ride to the Ibn Battuta metro station in Dubai. If you'll notice that although it's rush hour and the metro train is packed, the cars are moving fairly smoothly on the highway. During my stay in Dubai, I never saw one traffic jam, and the traffic I saw was very well managed. Dubai seems endless as you look out the window and see the tall buildings. The total ride time between the Burj Khalifa and the Ibn Battuta metro station is about 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes on the metro, I soon arrive at the Ibn Battuta metro and bus station. It's a very attractive and well-designed metro and bus station with clean public restrooms. The bus station is just outside. Just go through these doors and there's the bus station. The signs are clear and written in English to indicate where and which buses to take to Abu Dhabi. The bus doesn't sell the tickets, so you have to get one of these plastic tickets from the ticket office at the metro station. My next bus leaves at 7:40. It's now 7:05. The return ticket from Dubai to Abu Dhabi back to Dubai is 56 dinarams, UAE currency. I was able to get on an earlier bus. It leaves at 7:20. It's a pretty nice bus. Everyone here was very helpful and they all understood and spoke English. Ticket agents, everybody. The bus ride from Dubai to Abu Dhabi takes just under 2 hours. Part of the reason is what you're seeing. Notice the cars speeding past my bus. There's a reduced speed limit on buses in the UAE. Car speed limit is 110 kilometers per hour or 68 miles per hour, whereas the bus speed limit is set at 80 kilometers per hour or 50 miles per hour. I'm now entering Abu Dhabi. Notice the green space and a bike and pedestrian path along the sea on the right side. Abu Dhabi is wealthier than Dubai and the wealthiest emirate in the UAE. There is a lot of open space, because there are far fewer people in Abu Dhabi than in Dubai. I soon reached the Abu Dhabi bus station. I was surprised to see that the bus station looked plain and less attractive than the average metro station in Dubai. Uber does work from the Abu Dhabi bus station, and as I ride along the streets of Abu Dhabi, a couple of things become clear. Abu Dhabi statistically has far more wealth than Dubai, but it was evident to me that the wealth is concentrated at the top with the royalty. So the infrastructure and efficiencies for the common person living in Abu Dhabi is lacking when compared to Dubai.
Now, those of you who follow my channel know that every time I visit a new country, I visit the National Capitol building. It tells you a lot about how free the people are, how connected the government is to the people, and how afraid the government is of the people. So again, that is the entrance to their government building. That is the Capitol building of the United Arab Emirates. And have a look. Nice boulevard. Nice restaurants right across the street. The beautiful buildings on the other side. And a luxury shopping mall right next door. No heavy security, nothing. And that is the flag of the United Arab Emirates.
I hope you enjoyed my video today about how to get to Abu Dhabi from Dubai in the UAE. Please stay tuned for more of my travel videos, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe, post a like, and hit the notification bell for future videos.